So as you can see, I was in the mood to do something red. My nails inspired this look. And then I had this cute scarf that I ordered from Shein, and I was like, it's a bad hair day. So let's put this scarf on. Let's do some animal print and then do a little bit of red. We know animal print and red just go together real bad. This is the look that we are about to create. Let's go ahead and get into the video. I feel like this is not going to be like a holiday glam because it got a red lip. It could go, but I also feel like because I put on this like animal print scarf, it's not going to probably really give holiday. Anyway, I felt like this ponytail would be cute. I actually got in the shower like this, and then I was like, let's just put the scarf on, leave it alone. I've already primed my face. I did put on this Wet n Wild primer. I really like this, y'all. Y'all need to try it. It feels so good on the skin. It's like cold, but then it also smells really good. I love it. We are going to use this Juvia's Place palette. This is the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. So I want to stick with like a neutral eye because in my mind, I want to do this red like eyeliner underneath, but maybe bring it a little bit in the inner corner, or I'm going to do like a really light white. That's why I thought that it would be more like holiday because it's like red and white. I don't know. Wear it however you want to wear it. Wear it wherever you want to wear it. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Take the neutral color. I don't know how to pronounce some of these names, so I'm just going to show y'all which one. I'm going to take this one, and I'll probably do a little bit of the deeper brown on the outer corner. I forgot to tell y'all, I did prime my eyes. We're going to put this all over. So we're just going to take that deeper shade that I showed you, and we're just going to go all over the outer corner of the eyelid. So just keep blending like halfway on the lid with the brown shade. I think I want to bring it up in the crease just a tiny bit, like halfway. So it should be like right in the center, and then just blend it out all the way. I just feel like I needed something in the crease a little bit. So we're going to take a little bit of the gray, and I'm just going to place it on the outer corner of the lid. Not too much, just kind of stay right there. Perfect. I think I want my liner to be dramatic though. I'm going to show you what you can do if you're not good with wing liner. Take your finger, pull your lid back, and kind of draw. This kind of makes the skin a little bit tighter, so you have a better foundation to draw on. So pull back, draw your wing, take your time. Now I'm just going to do like a triangle down where I want the wing. So drawing this out, I feel like this is good, but I feel like I want it to be a little bit more dramatic, y'all. Okay, so I'm going to keep going just a little bit higher. These NYX liners, y'all, I love them. Like if you're not good with using the ones that you dip like the brush into the tube, these, it's like a pencil. Like you can't go wrong with this. That's the wing I'm going for. I wanted it to be dramatic. Yes. So now we are going to put our lashes on. I feel like my lashes should be kind of big, like kind of dramatic. So I'm going to go ahead and conceal and carve out where I messed up and just kind of clean that up to show you. You're going to take your time and kind of just buff it down. You don't want to blend it out or like wipe it out. You want to just kind of buff it in. Now I'm going to take the brush and make sure you have a pretty good sharp, well, like thin brush that you can work with. And now I'm just going to pull the skin and create a line where the concealer is and just kind of pull that down. It makes it really sharp. We are going to go ahead and do the underneath. I have two options. I have this Kylie Cosmetic red that I could put underneath, or I could take a skinny brush and use this for underneath. But I think what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go ahead and do the pencil. That way I have more control too. So we're just going to take this. We're going to go directly underneath. Oh, yeah. Y'all know that's always my initial reaction because I'm looking at myself here, but when I look at my mirror right here, it's like a bigger mirror, so it's just a different look. But I'm loving this. Okay, let's do the other side. I think that's what we need. It's like a bright gold. Hold on one second. Playing in Makeup by Yolando. I'm going back into my favorite palette. Y'all know I'll be using it. I think I'm going to do that in the inner corner because it's like a really chrome gold. I'm so excited about this look. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is so pretty. I wish I had longer bottom lashes, but they're so short. Loving the hair. I put a clip behind my ponytail too so it could sit up a little bit high. Remember that berry color from LA Girl? I think I'm going to line my lips with that and then we're going to go in with the Wet n Wild. This is really bright red for me too, but we're going to try it. We're going to try it. I'm going to do it for y'all. The big reveal. This is so red. Like, I think this is the brightest red I've ever put on my lips. Whatever. Let's do it. We're not scared. Let's just do it. Ooh, matte lipsticks always look brighter when they're wet. I'm gonna take my pencil because it is drying. I'm just gonna line again to bring back a little bit of the definition. This is very bright. This is very bright. I feel like I should have put black on first, but I don't hate it. I do want to try the lip with a little bit of gloss. This might be pushing it, but hey, if I don't like it, I'm just gonna take this makeup look off anyway. I'm not going anywhere. Another MAC product. It's not clear anymore. It's a little pinkish because I've been mixing. It's mine. It's mine. I want to see what it would look like with gloss. I feel like when I put this gloss on, that's gonna be a game changer. Right in the center. I might like this. I told y'all, the gloss changes things. I like the gloss better. I definitely like the gloss better. And it matches my nails, my red chrome nails. This is so pretty. I'll be trying to make these videos short, but I can't. I talk too much, I guess. I guess I just talk too much. I love how this turned out. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. This is why you need to pull out your makeup and just have fun with makeup because it's fun. This is fun. Like, would I wear this out? Yes. Definitely get this red because look at how pretty it is. Look at how pretty, and it don't feel bad on my lips. Like even when it dried, it just felt very sheer. So it's not heavy. The only thing I feel on my lips is the gloss. This completes the look. I love, 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 love this look so much. So I guess it could be like a holiday glam. You could probably wear this. I mean, you don't have to do the whole scarf look and everything, but even if you wanted to wear this for the holidays because it is red, and we know red goes with Christmas, you could definitely do that. But this completes the look. Tell me what you guys think in the comments and see you guys in the next one.